Hello everyone, I am Mitali, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today my topic is Induction, Orientation and Socialization. Now, what do you mean by placement? Placement involves assigning jobs to the selected candidates. What is placement? Placement means assigning the right job to the right selected candidate. It is matching of what the supervisor has reason to think that the candidate can do which the job demands. Most employees are put on a probation period after which his/her employment is confirmed. Only in rare cases an employee once placed is asked to quit from his/her job. It is known as placement. And what are the importance of placement? It helps in reducing employee turnover. It helps in reducing absenteeism. It helps in reducing accident rates. It avoids misfit between the candidate and the job. These are the importance of placement. Now, what is orientation, induction or indoctrination? It is welcoming a new employee to the organization, or we can say welcoming a new student to the college life or in study life. A technique by which a new employee is rehabilitated into the changed surroundings and introduce the practices, policies and purposes of the organization is known as orientation, induction or indoctrination. Simply, it is a welcoming technique used by the organizations. Now, what are the objectives of induction? The first objective is to reduce the initial anxiety all new entrants feel when they join a new job in an organization. That is, to phase out the new environment or to reduce the tension or nervousness for entering into a new life. We introduce this concept induction to familiarize the new employees in the job, people, workplace, work environment in the organization. To facilitate outsider insider transition in an integrated manner. To reduce exploitation by the unscrupulous co-workers. To reduce the cultural shock faced in new organization. Simply we can say induction is introduced so that the nervousness of newness will be reduced to some extent. What is the induction procedure? First, the new person needs time and a place to report to work. Second, it is very important that the supervisor or the immediate boss meet and welcome the employee to the organization. Third, administrative work should be completed. Fourth, departmental orientation to be conducted. And in the last, verbal explanation are to be supplemented by a variety of printed material. It is the procedure of induction. In the last, I will say thank you. I hope you will understand the concept of induction and please subscribe to our channel RPIIT.